Hello everyone, welcome back to Cook with Kim. Guys, I'm so happy to share with you this orange syrup cake recipe. The cake is easy for beginners to make. It's rich in orange flavor and just right to enjoy at this festive season. So start by grating the orange skin. When you've done this, leave the orange aside as this will be used later on to make the syrup. Once that's done, add the sliced orange in the tin and set the tin aside for now. Let's separate the egg yolk from the egg white. And when you're doing this, try your best to get as much egg white separated from the yolk as possible. Okay, so now whisk the egg white until it becomes foamy. And when that's done, put the egg white aside and this will be used shortly. So use a strong bowl for mixing. Add the batter in the bowl and add the castor sugar. So mix these two together. This part is very important. It's a process that will help you get a good textured cake. So take your time and mix it well. So keep mixing until the mixture becomes really smooth and creamy. You can actually taste this if you want. So literally when you taste this, it should be very smooth in your mouth. You shouldn't be able to feel any bit of sugar in the mixture. Once that's done, add the egg yolk into the mixture and mix it well. Now add the sieved flour into the mixture. It's important to sieve your flour to make sure there's not lumpy bits, and this will give you a very smooth texture. Now add the egg white and mix it until smooth. Once the mixture is a bit smooth, then add the orange skin. So the cake mixture is still a little bit heavy, so I'm now adding a bit of warm milk gradually. So I'm adding bit by bit to get the mixture a bit lighter. So the mixture will become a lot lighter and you should drop off the spoon easily like this. So now get the baking tray, add the sliced orange at the bottom and pour the mixture on top. Spread evenly and give it a little shake just to get it evenly around. Don't worry too much as this will even out in the oven. Once that's done, put in the oven to cook. As the cake is now baking, I will make the orange syrup which will be poured on top of the cake. So squeeze the juice from the orange, which the skin was grated from, into a pan and add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Stir it and leave it to boil on low heat. Keep stirring until the juice starts to become thick, and when it starts to become thick, you can turn the cooker off. So leave it aside to cool down. And as it starts to cool down, you will notice it gets much thicker. So guys, the cake is now cooked and I'm going to take it out and poke a knife through to check it's cooked well. If not, put the cake back in for a little bit longer until it's cooked. Then leave it to cool down and take it out of the tin. The cake is now ready for decoration, and I'm going to decorate in layers of syrup and icing sugar. But feel free to decorate to your desire and have fun whilst you're doing that. That's the most important thing about cooking. So enjoy your decoration. So guys, here's my orange syrup cake and my favorite part of cooking, the end result and tasting the food. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Stay safe and enjoy your festive season, and I will see you soon on another edition of Cook with Kim. Bye!